Okay, gentlemen, Jai Hind. Basically, your batch going to pass out today, 2 of 2024. Most of the students of NDA 1 and CDS 1 examinations, those have cleared. इस बैच में वही बच्चे थे. तो first of all, tell me, are you confident?
Yes, sir.
Good. Your all section has completed psychology, GTO, interview.
Yes, sir.
And basically today we are here for farewell and Sandeep sir with us. Basically today, first of all the students those have cleared the NDA 1 and CDS 1, they will get the 1000 cash award of written examinations. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Before starting this ceremony, I would like to say only one thing. You have to be original, right?
Yes.
सब कुछ सर ने आपको बता ही दिया है. All the stages have been told you, have been taught you, तो आप accordingly go there with full confidence, smile faces के साथ, and don't think कि मैं reject होऊंगा या select होऊंगा. You do your best. और वो पर्टिकुलर डे की बात है, किसी दिन सेंचुरी भी लगती है, किसी दिन 0 पे भी आउट हो जाते हैं, तो इतना ज़्यादा मत सोचना. वो डिपेंड करता है वो पर्टिकुलर डे आपका होगा नहीं होगा. बट यस, अगर आपकी प्रिपरेशन अच्छी से है, तैयारी अच्छी से है, तो फिर चांसेस आर वेरी ब्राइट. और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है आपका स्क्रीन इन होना. पहले सबसे पहले स्क्रीन इन होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि आप में कितनी भी कैपेबिलिटी है, पोटेंशियल है, लेकिन अगर आप स्क्रीन इन नहीं होए तो सारा का सारा वो बेकार हो जाएगा. तो इसलिए फर्स्ट डे इज़ वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट. तो उसके लिए हमने कल कुछ क्लास रखी है आपके लिए. वन ऑफ माई बैचमेट हु इज़ क्वालिफाइड साइकोलॉजिस्ट है वो. ऑल्दो सर ने यहाँ पे आपको पूरा बता ही दिया, फिर भी कुछ ऑनलाइन क्लास हमने आपके लिए रखी है. ये कमांडेंट योगेश दत्त हैं, क्वालिफाइड साइकोलॉजिस्ट हैं ये. ही विल टेक योर क्लास. आपको पता चल गया होगा ना इनके बारे में. ही इज़ अवर बैचमेट, माई बैचमेट आल्सो. तो इससे मैंने डीपली बात की है. तो ही विल गाइड यू, गिव यू सम इम्पॉर्टेंट टिप्स टुमारो फॉर द पर्टिकुलर फर्स्ट डे, जो स्क्रीनिंग के लिए वो आपके बहुत काम आएगा, आई एम श्योर. राइट, यहाँ पे आप उनको सुनना और उनसे जो भी कुछ क्वेश्चंस है, आपके कोई डाउट है, एक बार उनको सुन के इफ़ देयर इज़ एनीथिंग यू मस्ट आस्क. तो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट है स्क्रीनिंग होना है पहले आपको, बाकी तो फिर आगे की बात है. राइट, एज पर आवर ट्रेडिशन, दोज हु आर जो क्वालिफाई करते हैं रिटर्न टेस्ट, चाहे वो ND हो, CDSE हो, दे आर गेटिंग ₹1000 कैश अवार्ड. और उसके बाद आप SSB के लिए जाएंगे और फाइनल अगर रिकमेंड होते हैं और मेरिट लिस्ट में आते हैं, देन यू विल गेट ₹10,000 कैश अवार्ड. कल IMA की POP है, आई एम गोइंग देयर. उमेश सर इज आल्सो गोइंग देयर. हमारे कई सारे स्टूडेंट अंतिम पक पार करेंगे एंड दे विल गेट कमीशन टुमारो. उनके कई वीडियो या फोटोग्राफ जो भी होंगे मैं आपको बाद में शेयर कर दूंगा. यू कैन आल्सो लर्न फ्रॉम देम. और मैं चाहता हूं कि एक दिन आप में से बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे आगे बढ़ें और आपकी POP हो, डिफरेंट जो भी एकेडमीज हैं, चाहे वो ND हो, OT हो, IMA हो, एयरफोर्स एकेडमी हो. और अगर आप इनवाइट करेंगे तो आई वुड लाइक टू कम डेफिनेटली. मेरा ये अगर मेरा घूमने का अगर कुछ जो पूरे साल का एक दिल से जो प्रोग्राम रहता है वो POP अटेंड करने का रहता है. मैं कोशिश करता हूँ पूरे साल एटलीस्ट 2-3 POP अटेंड करूँ. खड़गवासला जाता हूँ, हैदराबाद जाता हूँ, IMA तो देहरादून में ही है. तो मेरी बेस्ट आउटिंग रहती है, ना कि और कुछ घूमने का मुझे इतना शौक है. बट POP में अगर मुझे मौका मिले जाने का, आप लोग बुलाएं, तो आज जो ये आपको एक प्लास्टिक का फ्लावर मिल रहा है, मैं चाहता हूँ इसको एक बुके के रूप में आप सिलेक्ट होके वापस करेंगे?
Yes, sir.
बस और कुछ नहीं चाहिए.
Okay, for cash award NDA 1 2024, महिमा पवार.
ये लीजिए आपका कैश अवार्ड एंड ऑल द बेस्ट.
उर्मिला गहलोत.
उर्मिला ने तो बहुत सारे कैश,
Okay.
कितना कैश जीती है तुमसे? एनीवे, कांग्रेचुलेशन. और 10,000 भी जीतो. ऑल द बेस्ट.
इनका वो है just for
गुड लक.
ये सेम इन्हीं का ये जो फर्स्ट यूनिट टेस्ट जो हुआ ना
हाँ, ये लो और
ये
गुड लक.
राजवीर यादव NDA फाउंडेशन प्रथम पाक.
अच्छा, ये हमारे फाउंडेशन का स्टूडेंट है.
हाँ हाँ.
कांग्रेचुलेशन, आपका कैश अवार्ड और ऑल द बेस्ट.
नदीम अहमद.
कांग्रेचुलेशन.
CDS आगे.
CDS का है. ओके,
अभी
ये
काम
आपका अवार्ड है एंड ऑल द बेस्ट.
अभिकांत सिंह. योगेश चौहान.
ये आपका अवार्ड. ये हाथ में क्या हुआ?
अभी लग
हॉस्पिटल करते हुए। चलो कोई बात नहीं,
योगेश चौहान बच्चों को।
गुड लक बेटा। अवार्ड आपका कैश एनडी का है, ये आपका
साहिल
All the
जाकर,
best।
साहिल सिंह जाकर।
गुड लक, ये आपका अवार्ड लो।
मोहम्मद सोम,
You can
शिवम कश्यप आ गया जाओ।
या गुड लक।
ऋषभ गोयल,
आपका अवार्ड है।
हिमांशु कशाना,
बॉडी लैंग्वेज
हिमांशु।
बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, अपने सर ने बता ही दिया होगा आपको। आपका 50% तो आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज कर देती है काम, समझे? और आपका आउटलुक अच्छा, हेयर कट वगैरह अच्छा से मस्त लेके जाना बढ़िया सा, ठीक है? चलो ऑल द बेस्ट, गुड लक, ये आपका अवार्ड। ऑल द बेस्ट, गुड लक।
नेक्स्ट।
ऑल द बेस्ट, ऑल द बेस्ट।
चल बेटा।
लो भाई,
बेटा
All the best।
सिंगल लाइन नाउ, जल्दी जल्दी। ऑल द बेस्ट बेटा।
ऑल द बेस्ट,
ले, ले बेटा, ले।
गुड लक, गुड लक, गुड लक। ऑल द बेस्ट गौरव, ऑल द बेस्ट।
आयन राम,
गुड गुड,
चल गुड।
ऑल द बेस्ट। यही कामयाब करेगा तुमको, ठीक है? डोंट वरी। चलो ऑल द बेस्ट प्रिया, गुड लक। ऑल द बेस्ट पारस, ऑल द बेस्ट, गुड लक।
Jai Hind everyone, this is Cadet Deepak Dev in front of you from DDA. I am from Kerala, from a district Kollam. So here in Dehradun I came here for my NDA and I cleared my first attempt in September last year and I went for my SSB, but due to some reasons I got screened out from that time. Now I cleared my my paper, that is NDA second, in April only. So this time I am feeling much more confident and I have also undertaken classes from here for SSB as well. Talking about the mentors over here, we have got our classes for interview as well as for psychology as well as for our GTO. The teachers over here are really cooperative. They also helped us and turned ourselves into much more better persons. So we can do much more better in our SSB and cleared our mistakes as well. So coming SSB, I am feeling much more confident and I'm pretty sure that this way I will be able to get recommended. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Urmila Gehlot. I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. I am a student of DDA and I have cleared the NDA written exam. Now I have taken the SSB classes from the DDA and that was good and give me a best experience for the SSB.
Hello everyone, my name is Himanshu Raj. I gave the NDA 1 exam on 21st April 2024 and I have taken the SSB course in the Doon Defence Academy. My experience here has been very positive. Colonel Sudhir Verma sir and Ravi sir have taught us psychology and in the physical tasks on how to clear the SSB entrance, and I've had a very pleasant experience here. Thank you.
My name is Niharika. I am from Jhunjhunu, Rajasthan. I have completed my class 12th and passed my ND written exam, and I have came in DDA to come for SSB preparation. I am quite satisfied with the SSB preparation in DDA because everybody is very supportive here, and I am very glad that I choose DDA for my SSB preparation. Thank you.
My name is Ramlal. I am from Paschim Bengal. I came here for SSB and written also, and I cleared 3 times written. And in the last 2 times I couldn't make SSB due to my faults, but the guidance that I got from DDA was very special because everyone is very cooperative and friendly, the DDA staffs and the SSB staff as well. The GTO sir, the techniques and the instruction are very clear to understand everything. Thank you.
Jai Hind and Ram Ram to everyone. My name is Mulchand. I am from Jammu and Kashmir. मैंने DDA में आया और यहाँ से SSB लिया. यहाँ की फैकल्टी भी काफ़ी अच्छी लगी और PPDT मेरा वैसे काफ़ी बढ़िया था. OIR की भी बढ़िया प्रैक्टिस कराई और संदीप सर ने भी बढ़िया गाइडेंस दी थी. उसकी हेल्प से इस बार मेरा SSB बहुत बढ़िया होगा. मैंने ND1 2024 का रिटर्न क्लियर कर लिया था तो यहाँ से बड़ी SSB गाइडेंस मिली है। इसके बाद सीधा SSB देने जाऊँगा और डेफिनेटली क्लियर कर लूँगा। थैंक यू।
Jai Hind everyone, I am Mahima Pawar from Uttarkashi, Uttarakhand. I am here for my SSB preparation and I have got the basic concept how to attend the SSB, and this experience has been very good. Thank you.
My name is Sharik Dhiman. I am from SP. After clearing my NDA written examination, I enrolled in DDA SSB coaching course for 14 days. The experience has been very nice. The teachers are very helpful. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Kumud Kumar Som. I am from Muzaffarnagar, Uttar Pradesh. I have given my NDA 2024 and attempt very carefully, and then I have taken SSB course from DDA, which give me a better experience.
Jai Hind everyone, this is Sushant Das, hailing from Nalbari, Assam. This is my first time here for preparing for SSB. I have cleared my CDS 1 2024, and this time I am confident that I will crack the SSB interview with the guidance and procedure provided over here by our esteemed faculty members like psychologist sir, the interviewer sir, and all the faculty members. Thanking all. That's it. Thank you.
My name is Harsh Tiwari. I belong from the Hardoi district of Uttar Pradesh. I came here for the written preparation and the SSB preparation. I cleared NDA 1 2024. Of my roll number of UPSC NDA is 1449133, and I came here for the SSB. The SSB faculties are very good. They are supporting and they always try to help in any circumstances.
Jai Hind everyone, I am Bhumika Mishra. I belong to Ayodhya, Uttar Pradesh. I have cleared NDA 1 2024 and I am here in DDA for SSB classes. The faculty here is very nice and very progressive.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Tejasvi Rajput and I am from Bhiwani, Haryana. I have been to DDA for the coaching of my SSB interview, and if I start with my interactions with the teachers, it was very great. Talking about the OIR classes, it helped us to improve a lot for our reasoning abilities and to get screen in, because the OIR is the main resume of our SSB interview. Talking about the psych classes, it helped us to improve our intellectual knowledge and our perspective, our imagination power for the stories, TET and another SRT, SDT and other things. With the GTO officer, I had a very brilliant interaction with him to teach us the obstacles and to know the ground reality, how to improve and where the loopholes I was doing and how to improve them. The interviewing officer was very great, and he said me that I have to improve some communication skills and to remember the things that are going on in the world and national newses that I have to do, and to work on my hobbies and another things. Overall, it was a great experience to have been in DDA, Doon Defence Academy, Dehradun, and to know about the SSB interview parts and to have a good ability power to clear the SSB interview. Thank you.
मेरा नाम अमरदीप सिंह नरूका है। मैं DDA में SSB की प्रिपरेशन के लिए आया हूँ। यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा माहौल है और यहाँ पे टीचर्स बहुत कोऑपरेशन करते हैं, और यहाँ पे कुछ भी अगर किसी के कोई दिक्कत हो तो यहाँ पे अलग से क्लासेस होती हैं।
Jai Hind gentlemen, my name is Saurabh Pal and I am from Ambedkar, Uttar Pradesh. So from the May in 2023, I came in the DDA, and in the first attempt I did not clear the written exam of NDA, but in the second attempt, with the help of the teachers, all the cooperatives and families and the staff of the DDA, I make it clear in the second attempt, and finally I am preparing for the SSB in the DDA, and I am quite happy with all the experiences and what I have learned from the DDA, and I am thankful to have a glad teacher like in maths, in physics, in chemistry, and in the English, GAT, everything. And I would like to thank all the staffs and the teachers of the DDA, and I have also a very good friend circle of DDA, so I am thankful to my friends also. So this all makes me clear to the written exam. Thank you. Jai Hind.
जय हिंद, मेरा नाम मनोहर बगड़िया है। मैं पश्चिम बंगाल के रहने वाला हूँ। मैं यहाँ DDA में एडमिशन लिया और मेरा इस बार SSB चल रहा है। यहाँ से SSB में काफ़ी अच्छा इम्प्रूव मिला है। DDA फैकल्टी यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छी है, आपको एक अच्छा सपोर्ट मिलेगा, और SSB के अंदर GTO यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा है। थैंक यू।
Myself Kapil Kumar. I have cleared my NDA 153rd, on which exam was held on 21st April 2024. Then I come to DDA for preparation of SSB. I got a lot of experience here in Psych, GTO and also in OIR sections. The teachers gave me a lot of experience and how to tackle the problems appear in GD
and also in the individual task, group obstacle task.
My name is Keshav Goyal. I am from Bahar, Bihar. I have cleared NDA 1 2024 and now I am preparing for SSB in Dehradun by Sandeep Sardoon Defense Academy, and I am feeling confident that I will crack SSB 2024 with the help of faculty at Doon Defense Academy. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Gaurav Chaurasia and I am from Maharajin, Uttar Pradesh. I have prepared for my written exam from DDA itself, and I am also preparing for my SSB from the DDA. It has been very good experience. Teachers here are very supportive and cooperative, and I am hoping forward to crack my SSB exam. Thank you.
My name is Rabdas Chavan. I am from Uttar Pradesh, Azamgarh. I came in DDA in 1 year ago and I qualified NDA in second attempt. The teachers are very cooperative and help us in every difficult situation.
Jai Hind, my name is Sahil Singh Zakhad. I am from Bhiwani, Haryana. I cleared NDA 2024-1 exam written from Doon Defense Academy, Dehradun, and took a SSB training from here. My overall experience was very good. The GTO sir and psychology teacher helped us very much, and my experience was very good at Doon Defense Academy.
Lakshya ko! Lakshya ko! Lakshya ko! All the best and Jai Hind!
And now I am preparing for SSB in Dehradun by Sandeep Sardoon Defense Academy, and I am feeling confident that I will crack SSB 2024 with the help of faculty at Doon Defense Academy. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Gaurav Chaurasia and I am from Maharajin, Uttar Pradesh. I have prepared for my written exam from DDA itself, and I am also preparing for my SSB from the DDA. It has been very good experience. Teachers here are very supportive and cooperative, and I am hoping forward to crack my SSB exam. Thank you.
My name is Rabdas Chavan. I am from Uttar Pradesh, Azamgarh. I came in DDA in 1 year ago and I qualified NDA in second attempt. The teachers are very cooperative and help us in every difficult situation.
Jai Hind, my name is Sahil Singh Zakhad. I am from Bhiwani, Haryana. I cleared NDA 2024-1 exam written from Doon Defense Academy, Dehradun, and took a SSB training from here. My overall experience was very good. The GTO sir and psychology teacher helped us very much, and my experience was very good at Doon Defense Academy.
Lakshya ko! Lakshya ko! Lakshya ko! All the best and Jai Hind!
Kindly subscribe DDA YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.